Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. And also, please don't forget to like. It will surely help our channel. Happy reading!
If we sell our souls to him, it means he can decide our life and death. Tinakot mo kasi, Shuang Yun. Why do you want our souls? Wala lang, trip niya lang, Char. Did you hear the story, The Farmer and the Snake? No. Of course, they didn't know. Di naman sila kapag-aral eh. Ito naman si Shuang Yun. One taught me this illusion in class. Now I can apply it creatively. This story tells that a farmer saw a frozen stiff snake. Poor thing, he said. Then the farmer put the snake inside his clothes to warm it. But the snake finally gave the farmer a deadly bite after coming back to life. This story tells us not to lend a hand to strangers. Diba? Seryoso na naman yung mukha niya. Parang nakakatakot na naman tignan. Because no one can expect whether the poor guy will bite the hand that feeds him. We won't do that. Inosente naman kasi masyado itong mga rabbit tapos tinakot niya pa. Save your high-sounding words. Seryoso na naman. Ano naman tong pakulo niya? I believe in controllable things such as souls. Talaga. Nakot na naman. Tong lobo na to. Nanakot pa ng rabbit. Inosente pa naman masyado tingnan tong rabbit na to. Pangalan nito? Dungya? I can give you my soul. Please don't take away the souls of my sister and my fellows. Don't go back on your word. Dongya is a competent chief. Siyempre, unahin niya talaga yung mga fellows niya. After Dongya leaves his fingerprint on the contract, you can enter a rock mountain. Kapasok na sila. Pero siya nagdadalawang isip pa rin siya. Di niya alam yung ano ng script, no? Di katulad ni Mang Mingi. Alam niya kung ano yung script. Siya kasi bata pa kasi siya. No? Swoosh! It's shining! It's shining, shimmering. Siyempre siya nagulat. First time niya nakakita nun. Pero di ko talaga maintindihan na yung bilog na nandyan. Para saan kaya yan? Yung symbol nila. Brother, woohoo! What? Ang mukha. Kawawa naman. It's shining. Does it mean your soul is burnt? So, no. Si Shuang Yun naman kasi. She thinks I'm a big devil. Of course, tinakot mo. Alright, we've reached the contract. So, after that, is that all? Why you're waiting for something else? Oh, what naman? Was my soul really taken away? Why did I have no feeling? I've placed your soul in your body temporarily. Tinakot na naman. Sira. As long as you abide by the rules of our Rockwolf tribe, it'll always belong to you. But if you do harm to others, your soul will be destroyed immediately. Takot sila lahat. Damay-damay na this. It's better to directly frighten these timid and ignorant herbivores. Come with me. Ito naman, tinakot mo naman agad. Maliit naman ang sister niya. Or chibi lang yan. Maliit talaga yan. Clatter. Innocent pa siya. Tingnan yung mga rabbit tribe. The first time beasts of the rabbit tribe heard the work, point system, and laws, they felt so novel. Why? Di ba nagtatrabaho ang mga rabbit? The rock mountain seems to be different from the outside world. Of course, different kasi may sarili silang rules. Ang ganda, di ba? Rocks talaga. Solid. Excuse me. The rabbit tribe learned about the learning class from their neighbor wild horse tribe, also herbivores. Go to school? Soon, Dongya earned enough work points, passed the entrance examination, and became a student in the class. Miss Wanwan, may I ask you a question? What? Did you hear the story, The Farmer and the Snake? Di malalaman ni Wanwan na ginamit yun ni Sangyi. Ni Shuangyin. Yes, it tells us we must distinguish good from evil, and we can only lend a hand to the kind people. Diba? Strangers yung ginamit niya ito, kind people. Mas maganda yung version ni Wanwan. Huh? Doesn't it tell us we can't lend a hand to others easily? It's the same thing. Of course not. It's so kind of us to help others. Maybe the person who told you this story didn't tell you the right meaning. Di nalaman kayo ni Dongya. For sure magagalit to kay Shuang Yun. Ayun. Stick out his tongue. Bastard. I was fooled by the cunning Shuang Yin. Swoosh. Swoosh and wish and wish and wish. Black River Tribe. Go. Siya yung kapatid, di ba? The evil one. The evil brother. Ba talaga? How dare Shuang Yun take in Meng Li and the beast of the rabbit tribe? Does he want to go against me deliberately? Uy, mas malakas kaya sa'yo si Shuang Yun. Huwag ka. Kala mo ah. Thump. Bujin, come down. Ay, si Miss Fax. Si Miss Evil Fax. We can still draw over the beast of the other tribes. Siya talaga. Si Yui. Yui ba yun? Kalimutan ko ito yung pangalan nitong babaitang to. As long as we bring all the tribes in the forest under our control. Talaga. Ambisyosa si girl. We won't fear the rock wolf tribe. Pag sure oy. Wolf beast nila dira upat. Ay soul beast apat. Beauty. You're right. Take off her coat. Ay nakwa, julande din tong babaeng to. Bakit kasi yan yung ginamit mo? Si Bujin? Bakit nang hindi si Buki? Beauty, let's enjoy the pleasure of close intimacy before that. Oh, Bujin, you? Diba, julande din talaga. Buti nga sa'yo, Charlotte. May patawa-tawa pa. Kawawa naman yung mga nakatribo niya. Yung mga prisoners na pinagkukuha nila. Ano kaya talaga yung goal nila? Gusto lang talaga nila to gain power sa forest. Yun ba talaga? Ano ka ngayon, girl? Pasak-pasak ka man lagi. Ano ba talagang goal mo sa buhay? Hmm. Ano nangyari dyan kay Bujin? What happened to you, Bujin? Full of detestation. You brought that to yourself, girl. Ang bait-bait na ni Buki, pinapatay mo lang. Staggering. Support her. Look out. Sino naman to? I prepared hot water like you like to take a bath. Would you like to take a bath pala? Push him away. Ay, si ano, kapatid ni ano. Ni Maushing? Ayan. No thanks, I have something to do. You. Diba? Kung nakinig ka lang kasi sa ate mo, hindi ka sana nasasaktan ng ganyan ngayon. Patigas kasi ang ulo mo. Na-execute na sana yan ng Fox Tribe. Niligtas mo pa. Saan to papunta si babae? Ay nako, yung witch. So may nagko-control din sa kay Ate Fox natin. Paano itong witch na to? Kalimutan ko tong pangalan ng witch na to eh. Here, you come. I saved this man by the Black River. Excuse me. Ba't inaakit yun? Gwapo ba to? Hindi naman to. In a rove of merman yarn, he was seriously injured. The beast who affords the robe of merman yarn must be something. Ay nako, yan naman iniisip mo talaga. Kahaman ka talagang babae ka. Tapos ngayon, ano nangyari? It seems that my judgment is indeed correct. Because he's from the temple. Ay, pinapadala talaga sa temple pala yung mga slaves. Grabe. Sama-sama talaga ng babaeng to talaga. Bujin is so fond of you. I can only seek protection in this way. Sama ka lang talaga. Ay, nagpapakaawa na naman siya dyan. But I don't like him at all. He's rude, brutal, and as stupid as a goose. If it weren't for the influence of the Black River tribe, I wouldn't take a second look at him. Diyan, nang-akit ka na naman, girl. Pinili mo na naman yan. Ambisyosa ka talaga, girl, no? Be patient. When Dark Moon Temple comes to receive slaves here, we can live together and you don't have to suffer here. Naniwala ka naman. Naniwala ka, girl. Bujin has been thinking to cause trouble to the Rock Wolf tribe recently. He's becoming more and more disobedient. As soon as the reinforcements of the Dark Moon Temple come, the number of the Rock Wolf tribe will be up. He's indeed from the temple. As long as I cooperate with him, I can take revenge. Revenge? Ikaw ko yun nauna. Shuang Yun, Bai Di, and Shaoling humiliated me in public, so I must take revenge.
Thank you for reading with me, everyone.